In today's video, we're diving into what to expect from SoFi and the broader market in the coming week. We'll cover anticipated market movements, key economic data releases, and what it all means for SoFi.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. As we look ahead, there's a palpable buzz surrounding potential changes in interest rates. Over the past couple of months, discussions have been swirling about rate cuts, and it looks like we might finally get some answers. This week is critical, with several important data points on the horizon. To start with, on Tuesday, we'll see the release of retail sales figures. These numbers will give us a snapshot of consumer spending, which is crucial for understanding the economic landscape. However, it's worth noting that this data might not have a significant impact on the rate decisions expected later in the week. The real highlight of the week is Wednesday's Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meeting, where the Fed will announce its decision on interest rates. Currently, opinions are split evenly between a 25 basis point cut and a 50 basis point cut. Recent market activity, especially on Friday, hinted at a stronger possibility for the larger cut. But some analysts have suggested that the Fed might opt to hold rates steady, which keeps us guessing. How the market reacts will largely depend on this decision. A 25 basis point cut would be positive, but a 50 basis point cut could provide a substantial boost to growth stocks. Looking ahead, the November 7th FOMC meeting might also see a 50 basis point cut, potentially totaling 100 basis points over the two meetings. This could trigger a major shift from money markets, which currently hold around $6.20 to $6.3 trillion, back into equities. Another data point to watch this week is the initial jobless claims report on Thursday. This will provide additional context for the economic situation and could further influence market sentiment. Overall, expect a week filled with excitement and volatility. For those interested in options trading, this might be a good time to dive in. Options can be particularly profitable during volatile periods, and understanding them can significantly enhance your investment strategy. If you're not familiar with options, consider taking some time to learn more about them. Now, let's focus on SoFi. For the upcoming week, there are no major company-specific announcements, so SoFi will likely follow broader market trends. However, there's been notable activity in SoFi's short interest. On Friday, shorts returned 371,000 shares, and about 18.57% of SoFi's free float is currently shorted, which translates to approximately $1.45 billion worth of shares. This high short interest could mean that shorts are overextended, potentially setting the stage for upward movement in SoFi's stock price. Looking at SoFi's options data, we see significant open interest at various strike prices. The stock closed above $7.50, with notable open interest at $7.50, $7, and $6.50 strike prices. There was also unusual buying activity after hours on Friday, possibly linked to market makers adjusting their positions. This could lead to some price movement in the near future. For the upcoming week, keep an eye on the monthly options change. With open interest at the $7, $7.50, and $8 strike prices, expect considerable volatility. If you're optimistic about SoFi breaking above $8, there's also notable open interest at $8.50 and $9 strike prices, suggesting potential future movements. In terms of technical analysis, SoFi closed at its pivot point of $7.72. As long as the stock stays above this level, it's expected to move between $8.30 and $8.76. However, be aware that there is also potential for downward movement. The stock recently surpassed its 200-day moving average, which often signals a trend. Despite the previous high not confirming a strong trend, monitoring these technical signals is crucial. Support and resistance levels for the week include $7.67 as a strong support level and $7.90 as a significant resistance point. The stochastic indicator shows a bullish deviation with readings around 40 to 42, suggesting the stock is neither overbought nor oversold. Retail investors have been gradually pulling back since late August, but analysts remain optimistic about SoFi. Despite price targets not being as high as some might hope, the sentiment behind the scenes is positive. Looking ahead to SoFi's earnings at the end of October, analysts have revised their earnings per share estimates upward, with an expected EPS of 4 cents. This reflects a positive outlook for SoFi's performance. So, what do you think about SoFi's prospects? Have you been buying, or are you waiting to see how things unfold? Do you believe a 25 basis point cut will lead to a pullback in SoFi, or could a 50 basis point cut be a game changer? Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.